Now let's move on to the next question, question number 11. The volume of a cylinder is given by, volume of cylinder, you know the formula, pi r squared h, but it is given here, pi r squared h. Find the greatest and least values of V if r plus h equal to 6. One relation given, right? So volume is pi r squared h. There are two variables to convert it into a single variable. So you can find h value. H is equal to 6 minus r, right? So h is equal to 6 minus r. This value you substitute here. Volume is pi r squared h. Instead of h, you substitute 6 minus r. Multiply term by term. 6 pi r square minus pi into r square into r. It is what? R cube. Now v is a function of r alone. So differentiate 2 times. Function of r. So dv by dr. 6 pi into r square derivative 2r. So 6 into 2 it is 12. 12 pi r. R cube derivative 3r square, right? So 3 pi r square. That is first derivative. When you find second derivative, d square v by dr square. 12 pi into r derivative 1. Here r square derivative 2r, right? So 2 into 3, 6. So 6 pi r. So all of you know how to differentiate it. Equate first derivative with 0. Equate with 0. Take the negative term to the right side. So what you are getting? So but here r is common. So you can factorize it, right? What is common? Pi is common. R is common. 3 also common. So 3 pi r you take outside. You are getting 4 minus r equal to 0. 3 pi cannot be 0. Either r equal to 0 or 4 minus r 0. 4 minus r 0 means r equal to 4. Either r equal to 0 or r equal to 4. R cannot be 0. If r is 0, the volume is also what? 0 only, right? So when r equal to 0, so that is the minimum volume, right? Let us see. When r equal to 0, substitute in the second derivative d square v by dr square equal to, see, when r is 0, this term fully 0, you are getting 12 pi, right? You are getting 12 pi. It is positive. So volume is minimum when r equal to 0. When r equal to 0, what is h? H is 6 minus r. So h is equal to 6 minus r, that is 6. So therefore, they asked to find the what? The least value of v, right? So volume is equal to, what's the formula? Pi r squared into h. So any of 0 and anything is what? 0. Okay. So this is the minimum volume. The question they asked for the maximum volume and minimum value. R value 0. If R value negative, you can't take it. Radius cannot be negative, right? So now R equal to 4. When R equal to 4, same method, you substitute in the second derivative. R equal to 4 you give. When you put R equal to 4, you are getting minus 12 pi. Minus 12 pi. So it is negative. Second derivative negative. So it is maximum. Volume is maximum when R equal to 4. So you can find H value. H equal to 6 minus R. H equal to 6 minus R. R value 4, it is 2. So in this case, the maximum volume is pi r squared h. Substitute. Your answer is 32 pi. So like this, you can find the maximum volume and minimum value.